Hey guys, this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing Construction. We're at a house over here in Sanford. In the Buckingham Estate community. Customer had some wind damage and some damage associated with the hurricane. The homeowner decided not to go back with a presidential shingle and to go with a tile installation. So what we had to do is we had to go get an engineer involved, make sure that the house was capable of holding the load of a tile, which we were able to get okay and approval. So what we're doing today is we have removed all the shingles, we inspected the decking, re-nailed the decking every 6 inches, and we're installing our high temp peel and stick underlayment and getting our house ready for our in-progress inspection and our delivery of the tile from Eagle Roofing Products. They'll be delivering the tile on Thursday morning, and then we're going to continue to load this roof with tile. Installing our high temp peel and stick underlayment, which is a product specific, the precursor to installing tile. We're gonna get this house completely dried in. We'll obviously make some cuts and things like that. What we're trying to do is make sure that we're able to keep the homeowner's gutters intact. And as you can see, we've kind of already started to lay our high temp peel and stick all the way up the side here, all the way to the roof. We only end up having to replace 3 sheets of plywood decking, but this is just kind of the first step in the process. And if you go to the top of the roof here, you can see, since we're not getting our tile delivery for another day or two, what we did is this is where the vents are. So we've already dried all this in, so that way if we get any rain overnight, this home will be completely protected to the elements before we start doing our tile installation. So once again, this is just kind of like first beginning stages of the high temp peel and stick, getting ready for delivery for our tile, and I will keep you posted.